Hello, little one. What are you doing? Are you going to go to Emily's birthday party today? Are you? What did you get Emily for her birthday party? Is that right? How old are you? What's that? That's a pretty nice outfit you're wearing. Is it really furry? It is? Wow. Are you getting ready to go? Can you say hi, everybody? What is it, February 10th, 2007? Where are you? Come on, come on. What are you doing? Whoa. Say bye, everybody. Bye. Have a good day. Whoa, she's excited.